And suppose you have selected your domain, the particular domain you want to purchase. So it is as simple as like doing online shopping. The same thing you have to do over here. You have to create your account and you can purchase over here. Otherwise, simply you can click on select. So what it is saying for the first year with a 2 year registration. So first year charge you'll have to pay around 200 rupees, right? Including with by additionally it is taking 1 year more registration as well. So simply what you have to do, click on add to cart. So when you add to cart, it will be added in the cart where you can see the 2 year price with the text as well. So once you selected and you added in the cart, right? So by default, the other option it will be asking to you. So like you want full domain privacy and protection where you can hide your privacy, right? And domain protection and security. So that's the additional one. That means you're providing extra security to your website. So it is up to you if you want to get this facility. Simply you can select it. Otherwise, just click on no thanks, and you can continue. And if you want to take like business mail also, you can select it from here. Or hosting, if you want to take, simply you can select the hosting. Otherwise, just you select no thanks. So that hosting you can take it separately also, and click on continue. So you can see here, that means you are getting it for 2 years and you have to pay around 1248, right? Then after that, you have to do domain renewal every year. So somewhere you'll have to pay around 1000 rupees for renewing it. So once you finish all these criteria, then you have to create your account. Simply you can type your email, you can create your username, and you can generate your password. So after finishing this, just you have to create your account, and one verification mail you will be getting in your email ID. With there you have to verify the email, and after that you can access this dashboard, and you can additionally add the things, right? You can pay by internet banking or credit or debit card, and certainly you can purchase that one. And at the backend side of this dashboard, you can see how many domains you have purchased, right? And till when it will be active. So like that you can monitor on your domain as well.